Hi all, Plantside Agent here. Today I'm just going to do a quick video. I found some Bandaid tins at my local dollar store, and haven't seen these in a long time, and I thought, well, good, because they're always great for little survival kit packages. Just for comparison, here's the original Bandaid size tin. This is the one that I made a survival kit out of when I was in the Air Force. And I do have a video on that. I'll put a link to this if you're interested. But anyway, you can see that these are just a little bit smaller than, oops, get down here where you can see it. About the same height, but just a little narrower than the originals. But and then they also had these smaller ones, which I thought were interesting. So I think they, probably any number of projects that you could come up with for using these. So I bought them just for the tins, but you can always use Band-Aids. And if you're curious what comes in these, I say I've never heard this brand before or anything about them, but I just saw them in the store and I go, hot dog. So I'll have to figure out some kind of project for it. Definitely could make a survival kit or a little first aid kit out of these, but this one comes with 20 Band-Aids if you're curious. And here they are. They're they're definitely not camouflaged. Probably more for kids, but which I do have a granddaughter, so I'm sure these Band-Aids will be used, or I'll be using them. I don't really care. I'm old, so I really don't care about status or how I look particularly. I don't want to look too out of bizarre, but anyway, we digress. Here's the little tin, and it's got 8 of them that are just and they're crammed in there pretty good. But anyway, you can see them in there. But yeah, it's just another little tin. I don't know what I could put in the small one, but just have to use your imagination. So I don't know, you might I think a lot of the stuff in these dollar stores can be local and depend on which dollar store you go to, but I always keep my eye out for little things like this because it's fun to make things. So if you happen to you might check your local store to see if you can find these if you're interested in having some little tins. So, but anyway, that's about all I got to say about this. So, tins are back. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.